Hey guys, CJ Nerf Guns here doing the range test on the Nerf Nitron. We already have our markers and everything all taped and everything down there. We are firing this at a horizontal shot, and this is quite a windy day, so this might not be very accurate. Alright, let's go. Alright, 2 shots, it jammed for some reason. But those 2 shots got a pretty good distance. One is right here. That is about 52 feet. And the other one is right here, which is about 55 feet. So we got 52 feet and 55 feet. So on average, it's a good range of about 54. Pretty good for the Nerf Nitron. CJ Nerf Guns here. Remember to subscribe, comment, and like. See you guys next time.